Hi there! Today we make air fryer frozen chicken tenders with no breading, so let's get started. I'm using about a pound or 450 grams of frozen chicken tenders, 3/4 of a teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons paprika powder, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, garlic powder and black pepper respectively. I also have 2 tablespoons of melted butter and a third of a cup of water. So to start, add the water to an air fryer barrel or baking tin. Then combine all the spices and seasoning in a small plate or bowl. Add some of the seasoning to the water and combine. Place the frozen chicken tenders on top. Then top with the remaining seasoning and melted butter. But all be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Obviously, you can also use some olive oil or margarine in place of butter if you prefer. Next, place the baking tin or air frying barrel inside your air fryer basket or pot. Then cook in a preheated air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or approximately 200 degrees Celsius. Air fry the unbreaded frozen chicken tenders for a total of 5 minutes. Flip and try to separate the frozen pieces, if possible. You then want to close your air fryer basket and air fry for a further 13 minutes or until done, making sure to flip, combine as well as distribute the seasoning mid-cooking. So once the cooking time is over, you want to use an internal read thermometer to check whether the chicken tenders are cooked. If not done, cook them longer in 2 to 5 minutes increments until done. Garnish with some chopped parsley or your favorite herbs, then serve.